In this video, I want to show you how to format your table in Microsoft Word documents. If you have a table like this in your Microsoft Word document and you want to format it, how do you do it? Formatting this is just a matter of putting it in a format that look more presentable or according to the requirements of your submission. So as it is now, for example, in most academic purpose, it's not allowed to leave your table like this with visible lines. So there is a way you can format it to make it more appealing. Is to remove the grids. All these grid lines, we want to remove it such that we have a clean table. To do that, place your cursor inside the table and you will see design. Click on this design and then choose any of these. For instance, let me choose this light shading. If I click on it and come back here, you can see that the grids has been removed. However, the shading still remains. So to remove the shadings, just click here to select the table. Then come to this shading. Click on the shading and choose no color. Then that shading will be removed. So you can see that we have a clean and formatted table right now. So you can see this is better than having the grid inside. So this is how to table in Microsoft Word document. Thank you for watching.